In this video, we will discuss Swagger documentation for the use of REST API in the Nerdio Manager. This is available in Nerdio Manager version 2.7 or later, and it is used as follows. If we go under Settings, Integrations, we can see that REST API for this demo instance has been enabled. If we don't know our current credentials or specifically our secret, we can click on Credentials and regenerate our secret. I just did that right before the demo, so I'm not going to do it again. And then once we have our secret, we can click on Swagger under Documentation right here, which is going to open up another tab for us. And in this tab, we will see all the various commands that are currently available in the current version, all the schemas, and all the documentation. Now, what we could do is we can actually test and try to run some of these commands right from within Swagger here in the Nerdio Manager. So we're going to click on Authorize. We are going to paste our secret. I'm going to click Authorize. This is going to validate and tell us that we're good. And now we can see what are the various commands that we can run. So for example, there is a test command. We can say try it and then execute. And looks like we got a successful response that says hi REST API client, so that worked. We could also go in and let's say take a look at our AD configs. So let me see if there are any inputs necessary here. So there we go, we execute it, and it tells us that we have 3 Active Directory configurations that are available, ID 1, 4, and 6 with the following settings, etc. And you can really do very easy and very complex things. For instance, if you wanted to add a new host to a host pool and assign it to the user, you can do that pretty easily. You would go to this session host section, select that you want to add a host right here. You would specify the subscription ID. After clicking try it out, you can specify the subscription ID, the resource group, and the host pool name. And then you would format your payload. For example, here you would specify the name of the VM that you're going to be creating. You can specify your VM size, the image you want to use, the disk storage size, disk storage type, the network you want to use, the user to whom to assign it to, and a bunch of other parameters. Click execute, and this will actually run that within your Nerdio Manager. So now there are 2 ways to test and work with REST API commands. You can download a Postman collection, which can run inside of your own Postman installation, or you can do it right in line, right inside of the Nerdio Manager with the newly added Swagger. Hope you found this useful, and I will see you in future videos.